Hey, so this summer holiday, I got to spend some time in Vietnam, and while I was there, I was just hanging out with their students that were learning this extra training course over their summer holiday. And in 2 weeks, I taught them a dance performance that they would use to welcome back the new students in, I don't know, about a month from then. So while I was there, they had a special event and we got to perform the dance early. And while we were there also, the students were like, "Teacher, you should do some ballet." So at the end of their hip hop performance, I joined them. It was very fun. And then I did a little snippet of a ballet dance also. It was really enjoyable. I hope you like watching it. I was so proud to meet these 12 girls and really bond with them. And girls, I'm sorry, I'm gonna say this wrong, but tôi yêu Việt Nam.
Yeah.
watching Vietnam was beautiful, and it totally has a piece of my heart now. Also, the energy in that room was ecstatic. It was probably because it was very crowded, but it was also just really fun to perform, and I think the girls were nervous, but they enjoyed themselves also. I miss you, Vietnam. I miss you, Don Bosco School, and maybe I'll see you again sometime.